Okay, I'm going to show you the very best paper airplane. My grandpa and I used to make paper airplanes all the time when I was little. And we perfected it, in my opinion. Okay, so pretty standard so far. The tricky part is this last fold. So most people would fold this down to line up with this line, but what we're gonna do is fold it past that line. The smaller you can make the part that you're gonna hold on to, this little bit, the bigger your wings can be, the more air they can have in their surface area. And one of the things I'll do sometimes is do a staple under this part. It sort of adds to the stability and the streamlinedness of the underneath part while still having like a middle center of gravity. With more like construction paper, sometimes I'll do a paper clip on the back. My grandpa sometimes would do a paper clip on the front, so it has a little more action, but this one will actually fly pretty far. The other one I just tested down the hallway, my dog ripped apart, so not gonna test this one, but you guys go outside and have some fun.